Hello everyone, now I'll teach you how to install GetonAgain Garment CAD free version. First, right-click and unzip the installation package. Open the folder. Right-click on the installation package. Run as an administrator. Click Yes. Click Browse to select the installation path. Click OK. The installation is complete, and the shortcut will be automatically created on the desktop. Open the software. First, register, and follow the prompts to register. Click here. After register, we can sign in. Click here. Then you can open the software. Thank you for watching.